Okay guys, yes, so I'm Gino, I'm 23, I'm from Liverpool, the UK, where all that Brexit malarkey is happening, but you're not in this video for that. I don't know what's happening, probably they don't know what's happening, but whatever. You're in this video because you want to see whether that title down there is true, and I'm so thankful to say, yes it is, but it took me a while to get there, I'm not going to lie to you. And in this video I just want to give you a bit of context to tell you who I am and what I've got planned for this YouTube channel. So if you stay tuned till after the intro, you'll find out exactly that. Okay guys, so like I said, I'm Gino, and I'm just going to show you how I went from like a really broke university student to having my own lifestyle agency now where I can earn all my money online and essentially work online. So to give you a bit of context, I just pretty standard my upbringing, school, college, university. When I got to university, I found what most people find, which is money problems. So I was living on about £10 a week, essentially, which is about 12 to 15 for people in the United States, people who are watching who are not from the UK. How you doing, by the way? And what did I do here? Well, I did what most people do. I want to earn a bit of cash, want to earn a bit of side income, shall we say, and they don't really want to do it in a physical job, so like bartending, retail. I typed this, how to make money online. And this is what started me off. This is where I found a plethora of articles, good, bad, ugly, ugly being the scams, essentially. And what I ended up doing is I started my own student fitness website. And this is what started me off. I literally thought this is going to be the best thing ever. I'm going to make it a top fitness site in the world. And what happened? Momentum stagnated and dropped. And then this is where I thought, you know what? I'm going to do my own startup. Let me get a few people involved. Let me actually try and create a startup. And then what did I do? I created the Uber of fitness. It wasn't just me. There was also other members of the team, to be fair to them. And what happened? We grew some momentum again, stagnated, and died. And this is where I kind of hit a roadblock, where I was ending university, didn't really know what to do, wasn't really thinking too much about getting a job myself, really wanted to find a way to make a bit of cash online. So I got the best advice I ever got in my life, which is, Gino, you don't need to reinvent the wheel. Like, you're trying these apps, these websites, these brand new ideas. What you need to do is pick a business model that works and offer it. And that's what I did. And I started researching, and then I found something called Upwork, where you can offer your services. And this is what started me off on what I am now in, which is a lifestyle agency. And it started off a bit rocky because obviously had no experience. Really, I did have experience through my websites, apps, marketing the apps, but no one really took me too serious. But this is where I essentially got the help of other people in the industry, really started watching YouTube videos, consuming a lot of content, seeking guidance from people in the industry. And then I started to pick up. And now I'm at the point where I have 5 clients, just to be completely specific. 2 of them being Facebook advertisement, 3 of them being IG growth, so Instagram growth. And I used to do a bit of website, development, just because I did engineering in university. I know this, but I don't do that anymore because it is a lot of work, and I respect the people who do it, but I'm just not doing it right now. And yeah, so I just want to create this YouTube channel because I kind of feel that I want to show you, yes, how to outsource, how to maybe even go about building a team, how to put some systems in place. I find a lot of people don't really have onboarding systems that can make life so much easier for you. But not only that, I want to be documenting because I'm not at the stage I want to be. I want to grow much more. And even though I'm doing all right now, I just don't want to be stagnating like I did with the other businesses where I was building momentum, stagnated and dropped off. So I kind of want to keep this as a accountability partner, if that makes sense. And the last thing I want to do really is just show you my failures, really show you the real stuff, because I have lost clients. It's not like I've literally grown like that. It's essentially been like this. And they always talk about that sort of how you grow, but I've had clients, lost clients because I wasn't doing the service right, got clients, then again, stagnated. Business is like that. Well, my experience of business. So overall, I just want to welcome you to my channel, and obviously if you like the content, subscribe. I'm going to really put in some in-depth content now. So if you're struggling to get results for clients, I'm going to be concentrating on IG growth more specifically. If you're concentrating on getting results, I'm going to be doing detailed videos on that. If you're struggling to build a team or even systems, like onboarding systems, I'm going to do videos on that. And if you just want to see someone who generally like has failed and shows you their failures also, I'm going to be doing videos on that. And also getting your own clients, and more predominantly Upwork clients, because that's where my experience is thus far. So yeah, hope you're doing well, and be speaking soon.